you have the future ahead of you, so just make the right decision, and you got your parents to come and ask questions anything you want, okay? And why would you tell your mother that? You want us to break up? Daddy love you, okay? And I was pranking you, it's a prank. Me and mommy planned it, alright? So I pretend to be on the phone with someone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll review a few videos with CMR and Stepdaughter, and we're gonna review the body language, is what, you know, her eyes and her body language, and you know how him have the camera upon her behind the whole time in the second video. Also, Vybz Kartel looks like he's going to be busy for 2025. He's already having talks about going to the UK and potentially US. You know, he's going to be out and about next year with different shows. So it looks like he might get back in visa. It's a good look. Also, he linked up with Popcaan, and he had a press conference yesterday. So we're going to get through all of that. So if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'll really appreciate it if you leave a comment and like the video and share. Stay tuned. Now, regarding the CMR case, he has been, you know, he was let out on bail, and I'm assuming he has a court hearing soon. But people are now digging up old videos and are now dissecting the child's body language. And honestly, I thought they were just assuming, but she clearly looked uncomfortable. But you look in the video, you watch this video, and you let me know. Check this out.
Birthday. I just want to tell you happy birthday. I love you. You're getting bigger. You're smarter.
We're leaving shortly.
And you have the future ahead of you. So just make the right decision, and you got your parents to come and ask questions anything you want. Okay? And I like her mom make her look special.
When I ever hear about cringe-worthy, yeah, me feel uncomfortable watching it, because look at her eyes. Look at the child eyes. She look uncomfortable, and me really like what she have on eye, that too revealing. But accuracy decision, she probably didn't trust him and thinks nothing not go on. But you know, I don't know. I feel like she uncomfortable. You guys tell me what you think. Here's the other video.
Why is it bad?
It's not bad. She said, this guy. Are you recording?
Yeah, getting a few clippings. Maybe I should have come in the school and park. Or maybe I'll go for the car and come around. I'll call her when I get in the car. What happened, Jim? What happened? Oh, I see you get excited.
I need her to toot me.
Yeah. Alright guys, so trick or treat, we gotta do some little walking, so I get a park too far. No, you know, actually it worked out fine. Because when y'all reach the front, we could just go across the road for the vehicle. Hi.
My eyes burn.
Say hi to everybody. We got the cops over here making sure everything is good, because it's kids friendly. Even though I'm not gonna get any candy, I might pull from the kids zone. Who's gonna give me some of theirs?
Now in this video, you can see, you know, that he mostly is walking behind her. Now everybody different, but you see when me I walk with my pity, them mostly the camera they on front camera, and they are beside me or they are behind me, so the camera go to capture all of it one time, right? As in like front way. Why are you behind them? And then him watch till she pull up her pants, and then to her, what do you, Jenny? What do you look like? Nothing do you look like? You just make it look like, say, yeah, ask her about she get excited. Yeah, we all know why you were excited, but that way uncomfortable for me, because why are you just filming from behind? Like why? I don't know, just weird. And then they go to ask her what do I when you see she pull up her pants. But anyways, guys, you guys let me know what you think. And look again, him have the camera mostly on she, you know, like anyways, let me know what you think in the comment section.
You heard me talking to someone?
Yes.
What did I say?
He said, Ma, I love you, bye.
That's not true. Jenny's lying on me. Jenny's lying on me. She's joking. You're lying, right?
Liar!
Why would you tell your mother that? You want us to break up?
No. I'm just telling the truth.
You just telling the
What
truth?
did that do?
Tell the truth!
Come here. Daddy love you, okay? And I was pranking you. It's a prank. Me and mommy planned it, alright? So I pretend to be on the phone with someone to see if you were gonna tell mommy. So
But you come and tell Queen.
but you told Queen. So but don't worry, you still pressed. So what I did was, if you realize, I called you in the front of the seat so I could get you on the camera because you didn't know what camera was running. So I tried to distract you by talking to you about school. Then I pretend to let my phone ring like I did receive a call, but I didn't. And then I said, hold on, let me talk. So I was talking. And then I saw you started crying. I was like, damn, you really love us together, don't you? Come on. I love you. I was just like,
What Queen said? What Queen said? And then Cara said, you liar!
so y'all ready to turn against me? You ready to turn against me?
Now this video was originally 14 minutes, so I cut out the important part. Notice, this is what you call a narcissistic behavior, because you notice when doing test her to see if she go talk. Set up a situation with test her to see if she go would I ever tell her mother anything. And you notice Chrissy never looked too comforting. She did to me, she never sound like, you know, welcoming to the child. She sound like she would have like be aggressive with her. But anyways, notice when you hug up the little girl, me thinking hand they slide on a rubber or hit them too long. Yeah, me uncomfortable. And more than one time he hug her up like, you know, like, watch it and I slide down. Ugh, I'm so uncomfortable. But yeah, we just have to watch out for that. The man, why, man, know you address them up with certain clothes. I don't know. And then yesterday, the sister-in-law came out as the video with CMR in the courtroom was from 2021. Mind you, the screenshot that we got clearly said November 2nd, 2024. So how come our old video? Really? And then tell us they can return to the resident. Mind you, the judge also told us, well, said it in the video, say it's for the M-word station. So oh, you go say our old video, you also contradict yourself and I say, oh yes, so that means I'm more than one time. So if an old video, right, and you get charged for that, that means that this is the second time you that they get charged for it. No, make up in the mind which one. When you tell them and buy it good. All the brother friend come out and go on the most way. I can't hear from you, you're so silent. Come defend it now. Tell me what you guys think. For months now, we've been speculating that Kartel and Popcaan no good, or, you know, and then they come up on Keisha Kira and say, yo, relationship up and down, but we good, we talk, everything good. And we are seeing with every artist, from Tom Lee to everybody we see, man. We never see with Popcaan. Finally, Popcaan, you know, and Kartel link up and he bought him a watch. And, you know, we just glad to see the union. So, check this out.
Oh, you never see this coming. No. Why? Like the comment. I take every why.
Watch out.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh my God. Andre, why did you do that? My G. Andre, what's that right there?
Don't worry.
I'm looking. Yeah. Andre, go over a little bit, yeah. Andre, go over a little bit, yeah.
When my father man do watch, I watch me, you know.
But it's not a Mavodo. It's not a Mavodo.
Hold on.
What? That's glittering.
Hold on now. Because I say Rolex. Papi say Rolex. Look at that, listen. More everybody listen.
No diamond, no mystery.
No diamond. Remember, you know, the boy can't say my mind, man. No time.
Where that I go?
No.
That no pick.
Alright, what is sound of me nose?
A nose?
No, you're drunk. Give me my...
So at the press conference, you know, they were asking him about potential people that would show up at the December 31st Freedom Street concert. He gave a hint saying a Canadian rapper, we all know that's Drake. He said world-renowned rappers like, you know, Lil Wayne, Cardi B, maybe Nicki Minaj, and a few other people. Busta Rhymes are gonna show up same way. Also, you know, he mentioned the fact that he's gonna be doing the Wire Festival in UK next year. So next year go busy for Kartel, and we love to see that. But check this out.
Break down what going on for Wireless Festival. Wireless Festival is like one of the biggest UK festivals.
It is one of the biggest festivals, and I'll be there in, I think, next year, July. Contract sign and everything.
Fully confirmed.
Fully confirmed. So, Kartel will be there alongside Drake, Lil Wayne, and I think Burna Boy. So, big up the whole Nigeria crew. Big up my Afrobeat family, them. Remember, One Black Love. And like I said, Drake over there and Lil Wayne. So, make sure on the there next year. Wireless, England.
I don't think they've even launched or talked about that.
You're getting the
exclusive.
You're getting the exclusive. I remember Vybz Kartel very elusive, so fire get the exclusive, you know, are big things. Shawnee B. No? Oh.
So
Trust me, we can call one name now. I'm a brethren through the years, like for over 15 years, Busta Rhymes will be there. And Canadian rappers will be there. Exactly, read between the lines. So, exactly, and female rappers will be there as well. So it's going to be an amazing event. So the foreign people, they might come out, they might come represent for Kartel. A lot of world-renowned rappers will be there, passing through. Because as Joe said, the show is Vybz Kartel's return. After 12 years, 10 months, 6 days, 14 hours, 12 minutes. Well, who's counting? So the people can expect pleasant surprises alongside prizes. Yes.
Will this be like a Gaza reunion because persons are expecting that?
I mean, you could say that. You could say that because a lot of them are going to pass through. But I want the people to know this. It's a Vybz Kartel event. So we run out, we DJ some song, the favorite songs by me and my usual suspects, they will be there. So you can expect the Shiva, expect the Tommy Lee, expect the Popcaan, expect everyone that you know and love through Vybz Kartel and through Portmore Empire. Entire. But I've got a lot of offers from US, from Canada, from UK. As a matter of fact, Live Nation, which is the wireless festival, which is one of the biggest festivals in the world, I'm doing it next year in the United Kingdom. We're supposed to do Queens in America and maybe Canada. I'm not sure about the Canada 100%, but definitely America and definitely UK. So we will be there in 2025. Yes, thank you.
You guys hear that? Vybz Kartel go there UK and potentially their wireless festival. No wireless, I'm sorry. USA next year. But we're glad to see that they can't hold it down again. Gone back on the Iron Bird. Wish you all the best and success. Glad to see that. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. This is it for now. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest update. Okay. Also, I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.